Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. A cube is just an inflated square. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship. And this is a consolidation of only one item. Usually when we talk about consolidation, it will entail two or more packages. But sometimes it happens that the gap between the arrival of packages are quite big. So sometimes you can choose to wait for a second package to arrive and then consolidate it. But in this case, since this arrived fairly early compared to the upcoming other packages, I decided to just consolidate it on its own. So because sometimes you really want to have it so that you can unbox it, or you can trade it, or you can sell it, of course. So in this case, some of the items here are already reserved to another person. Okay, so that's why I needed it to already arrive. Okay, actually I needed it to arrive last week, but well, finally it's here. Anyway, so this is from Heroclix player abroad. Okay, so good old Daniel Powell. So I messaged him for some items, and glad to report that it has arrived. Okay, and this will contain limited edition Heroclix figures. Okay, that's plastic also, and the figures are Abra Kadabra. Okay, so I wanted this because I have a Jersey Devil team cooking up, and this is going to be part of that. So I might keep that Deadpool at home. Okay, I already have this, so this will probably be for sale or trade. The Lady of the Forest, this one is already reserved to someone, so it's already sold. Okay, we might not be able to do a separate unboxing of that because we're gonna ship that out soonest after this video is recorded, actually. Then we have Infinite. Okay, so this one also sold to someone, so this is going to be on that side as well. Oops. Okay, so nothing else. We have here Killer Moth. Okay, so I have the Killer Moth, the pink variant, so I decided to get this one. Okay, this can be for pricing, sell, or trade, of course. And we might get a good synergy in the coming Fight for Gotham set. And finally, we have Deity Thor. Okay, so this is probably for Kips because I want to try this out, but I think this has a deity base. It seems to have a deity base because of the sound, so, or a dice, I guess. But anyway, this one I'm going to keep. Okay, so let's try to unbox one figure because we have all of them here. So six limited edition. I got a fairly good deal out of this, which is always the goal, especially if you are into buy and sell of Heroclix. So you have to earn a little bit, of course, so, and spend, of course, initially. So let's take a look at Killer Moth because we've already seen the pink variant. Let's take a look at the, I would say this is the regular variant. Okay, so the pink seems to be the variant. This is the original. Okay, so you can see here before we unbox, this is a DC limited edition WizKids figure. Contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure from WizKids. On the left and right, we see the illustration, and at the back as well. This was released 2024. Okay, but I think this was available only 2026. Anyway, we have here the figure. Okay, Killer Moth is not holding anything, doesn't have a gun per policy. And then yeah, he's got a translucent wings. Color combination is very colorful, orange, green, and purple. Okay, with a touch of yellow. And of course, the most important card. Let's take a look at his dial. Killer Moth is DCD 24-001B. The A is the pink one. He has the team player team ability, Gotham City Underworld, Secret Society and of Supervillains keywords, and a trait. I'll show you that you need Killer Moth. When establishing teams, choose a friendly character that shares a keyword with Killer Moth. Killer Moth gains that character's printed keywords. Okay, so a bit of a keyword cheating there. Okay, but only for shared keyword characters. When a friendly character that shares a keyword with Killer Moth attacks, and the attack is a critical hit or critical miss, modify Killer Moth's attack and damage +2 this turn. So I think that works well with the Carnage Spear. Okay, because the Carnage Spear, there will be more chances for your friendly character, for another character to get critical hit, and that would also mean he gets a boost, at least for that turn. Okay. He has a special attack, I got guts, alright, and a partner. Energy Explosion. When Killer Moth uses it, after resolutions, give all hit targets an action token. So it's like an in-cap energy explode on top of the damage. Cameron Van Cleer is the Killer Moth. Batman number 63, 1951 is a significant appearance. So which makes me wonder whether the +2 damage carries over in the energy explode. Okay, because that would be amazing. Meaning instead of your typical 2 damage for energy exploit, when he has that +2, it becomes 4 damage each plus an action token. My sense is it does. I don't know. Please correct me in the comments if you know the ruling for that. Okay, I always say it does because I think that's the shenanigans for this particular character. Okay, so he comes in at 75 or 50 points. Starts off with running shot in both point values and that special attack power, ESD as well, but on the top dial has enhancement and the bottom dial has perplex. So which makes you want to play him more on the 50-point line. He has flight and 4 range to targets. So that's Killer Moth. Okay, so interesting. I just have to probably ask the answer to that question. But until next time, I'll see you guys for more LEs. Have to ship the items now, so bye!